Hey guys, my name is Molly. Today we are going to be unboxing some mini dumplings and one normal size dumpling. Well, I found a few of dumplings, but never any of the mini ones. So this is going to be exciting. Right now, I'm on vacation with my brother, my mom, and my dad at San Diego. So we're having fun here and we went shopping. So I found dumplings, I had to get dumplings. So let's see what we get. Woo! Which dumpling do you think I want to open first?
Dumpling letter A, dumpling letter B, dumpling letter C.
Which do I want?
A, B, C.
My brother got a needle. A, B, C. Which do I want? Okay, I'm gonna give you 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, I hope you guessed correctly. I want to open, drum roll please, this mini dumpling, B. Okay, let's open it. So excited. There we go. Okay, there's tape. I wonder which one's good. Tape it. And tape it. Okay. Which do you think it's gonna be, guys? I'm gonna give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see what I got.
It's yellow.
Walter was right. It's yellow. That's so cute. Look at its little face. That's so cute. I love it. Look at it.
It's very cute. Okay. All right, and the next dumpling is?
Okay, first I'm gonna put it back in the packaging because it's so cute. What should I name it?
I think that you should name it Gerald Jerome Jimothy
No.
of London.
Mom, what do you think I should name it?
Lemonade.
Okay. Dad, what do you think I should name it?
Of London.
It's a yellow dumpling. What?
Chocolate milk.
I'm not naming a yellow dumpling chocolate milk.
It's up to you.
Okay, Walter, what do you think I should name it? One word. One name.
Hakuna Matata.
Hi guys, this guy's name is Hakuna Matata.
I think that you should name the yellow dumpling tree.
Okay, I like what Mom said, lemonade. I'm going with lemonade. Hi, this is lemonade, guys. Alright, I'm gonna put lemonade back in here. Now, which do you think I want more?
Blue or pink? Blue or pink?
Do I want the normal dumpling? Or the pink dumpling?
Pink. Blue or pink? Blue or pink?
Blue, pink, blue,
pink,
blue,
pink,
blue,
pink, blue or pink, blue or pink, blue or pink, blue or pink.
Decide already.
Alright, I'm gonna give you guys 5 seconds.
Whichever
5,
one
4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up! Alright, I want to, drum roll please, the mini dumpling. No, you don't. The mini dumpling. Okay, I'm gonna open this. What color do you think it's gonna be, guys? I think gold. I think it's gonna be the rare.
What color do you guys think it's gonna be? I think it's gonna be pink.
What do you think it's gonna be, Mom?
Purple.
Dad, what do you think it's gonna be?
Blue.
Okay.
It's gonna be blue, I think. Never mind. It's gonna be pink, as I said.
I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna give you guys 5 seconds to guess the color. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up!
Pink.
Alright, I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna close my eyes. What color do I get? This is hard to open. Did I get all the tape off?
Pink.
Oh no. There's so much tape! I hope you guys guessed it correctly. Let's see what I got.
I was right. I was right.
Oh my gosh, I
right.
love the texture. No, that's purple.
It's purple sparkles.
Let me feel it. Whoa, it's like a Neato.
It's the sugar texture.
I love
It's
it.
the awesome
I kind
texture.
of love that
It's like a
one.
Neato. How
Yeah.
much money do I have to pay to
Guys,
get it?
it's the Neato texture. I love it.
What's the face look like?
Oh, look how cute.
Let me see.
All right. Now, I had so much fun. But now, it's time to do the big dumpling.
Wait, what are you gonna name it?
Oh, yeah. What am I going to name it? All right, Walter, what do you think I should name it?
Killer Whale Asteroid Decimator.
Mom, what do you think I should name it?
Princess Sparkles.
Okay, Dad, what do you think I should name my purple dumpling?
Princess Sparkles.
2 votes for Princess Sparkles.
All right, I'm going to give you 5 seconds to shout it out
Princess
right now.
Sparkle.
5, 4,
Princess
3,
Sparkle.
2, 1.
Princess
Time's
Sparkle.
up. All right, I'm going to name it Grape. Grape. Now I'm going to open the normal size dumpling. I am so excited.
I think it's gonna be golden.
I think
Okay.
it's gonna be golden. Oh, I'm
Mom, so which do you think is going to be? Yellow, orange, green, red, purple,
red.
or
Golden.
blue? Oh,
Golden.
gold. The red.
Gold.
I think it's
You
gonna
think-
be I think it's gonna be
Big
some
old, big
sparkly one. Super sparkly.
Okay. All right. I'm going to give you guys 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Your time is up. All right. I'm going to open these. Let's see. Oh, there's tape. Gotta take the tape off.
Gotta take
Via the
tape off.
color, what name do you guys think it should be? I think that it should be
If it's golden, it should be named K-pop Demon Hunters.
it should be named Rumi.
No, it shouldn't.
No, wait.
It should be named Zoe.
Yeah.
I like Zoe.
Just name it Huntrix.
I'm gonna name it.
No, I'll name it Derpy. If it's blue, I'll name it Derpy. Because Derpy is adorable. If you don't know K-pop Demon Hunters, go on Netflix right after this video and watch K-pop Demon Hunters.
And watch the Molly's Dollies video where we do the hair for Barbie dolls for K-pop Demon
Yes.
Hunters.
All right, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I hope you guessed correctly.
I guess it's the rare one. I knew it.
Blue. Oh my gosh, I love the color. It's like my favorite color ever.
It's a rare one.
No, it isn't. Oh my gosh,
Yes,
it has
is.
Orbeez.
It is a rare one.
Does it?
It is a rare
All
one.
right, guys,
does it light
it's
up?
Derpy.
It's a
No.
rare one. Oh wait, no. We need to
doesn't
all
light
name it. We all need to name it.
It's gonna be Derpy. Gonna be
Wait.
Derpy.
All right, Mom, what do you think it should be named?
Derpy.
Dad?
Derpy.
Walter?
Chocolate milk.
What Mom said.
Alright, Dad, just take me back. Alright, I'm gonna name it. Wait, I have to give you guys 5 seconds.
You know,
5,
no, I
4,
think that it should be
3,
named
2,
Judo.
1. Time's up. I really hope you guessed correctly. I'm gonna name it. Drum roll, please.
Me, frisbee.
I'm gonna name him Derpy because I all told you guys I was gonna name him Derpy. Because look how cute he is. He's blue. He's blue. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Bye. Wait.
Oh wait, wait.
Before I say goodbye to y'all, guys, make sure to like and subscribe if you like this video. Okay, hey guys, my name is. Hey guys. Hey guys.